Morning, it's Ariane with Investing Architect. This morning I'm in Conroe looking at an investment property for an out-of-town investor client, foreclosure. And I just wanted to share a brief thought with you about leverage. So leverage is a pretty popular topic in real estate investing because it allows you to essentially control a much higher asset value with a fraction of that in capital. And that can really increase your returns if you make a good and smart investing decision. But the kind of leverage that I wanted to talk to you about is a different kind. And I'm talking about decision leverage. And here's what I mean. A decision that has leverage in it is a decision that you make once, but it impacts your life going forward from that point. So an example of decision leverage would be, for example, making the decision once that you're going to take automatically 10% of your income every month off the top before you spend any of it, and automatically transfer it into a savings account, and then rearranging your financial life so that you can live on the 90%. So you could make that decision one time, you can set up the structure where it automatically gets pulled out of your account, and then that decision will impact you for as long as you don't reverse it or you don't change anything. In other words, you use momentum and you use inertia to your benefit. Another such decision might be, for example, to make the decision to say, I'm going to get a good night's sleep every night. So I don't know about you, but if you have a good night's sleep, you're not guaranteed to have a great day. But I've noticed that every time I have a great day, it's almost always preceded by a good night's sleep. So when you say, okay, well, I'm going to make it to bed by a certain time every night, that has cascading effects on your life going forward. What could be another decision that has a lot of leverage? For example, you could make the decision to say, I'm going to read 20 pages a day from a book every day, no matter what. So if you do that, you are guaranteed to read about 50 books a year, right? Just by making that decision, by not thinking of it in terms of the whole monumental task, but you just think of it in terms of what are the bite-sized actions that you need to do every day. So I hope this is helpful for you. Leave me a comment on any other such, leverage decisions that you could make in your life. And I hope you have a great day.